Today I am reviewing the Google Pixel Watch 4. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are an Android user looking for the ultimate smartwatch experience, the landscape has just gotten incredibly exciting. Google has officially taken the wraps off its latest wearable flagship, the Google Pixel Watch 4. Today, we are focusing on the 41mm model, featuring a sleek matte black aluminum case, paired with the stylish Obsidian Active Band. This is a stunning display of precision craftsmanship, but more importantly, it represents a massive leap forward in battery life, display technology, and deep artificial intelligence integration. Let us dive in and see what makes this watch a serious contender for the absolute best wearable on the market. First, let us talk about the design and the display, because the moment you turn this watch on, you will notice a massive difference. Google has introduced the brand new Actua 360 dome display. This screen is 10% larger and a staggering 50% brighter than the previous Pixel Watch 3. If you have ever struggled to read your fitness stats under direct, blazing sunlight, those days are officially over. The screen pops with rich colors and sharp details, and it is wrapped in an incredibly durable, scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Combined with an aerospace-grade aluminum housing and water resistance down to 50 meters, you can comfortably wear this device wherever life takes you, from a rigorous afternoon pool workout all the way to the marathon finish line. The absolute headline feature of the Pixel Watch 4, however, is the deep integration of Gemini, Google's built-in AI assistant. This is not just a basic voice control tool. With Gemini right on your wrist, you can ask complex questions and receive quick, highly personalized responses on the fly. It completely redefines how you interact with your notifications. When you receive a text message, the watch uses hyper-relevant, AI-powered quick replies that match the actual context of your conversation. It saves you from constantly pulling out your phone just to type out a response. For years, smartwatch users have complained about having to charge their devices every single night. Google has directly addressed this pain point by introducing their longest-lasting battery yet. The Pixel Watch 4 delivers up to 30 hours of continuous battery life with normal use, and that extends up to a phenomenal 48 hours when you toggle on the battery saver mode. Even better, Google completely reworked the charging setup with a brand new side-mounted dock. This unique dock can give you 15 hours of battery life in 15 minutes or less, meaning a quick top-off while you brush your teeth in the morning is all you need to keep going all day. Moving on to health and fitness, this watch acts as an absolute powerhouse on your wrist. It features Google's most accurate heart rate tracking system to date, paired with advanced sleep insights and key biometrics like SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring and heart rate variability. If you love to train, you have access to over 40 distinct exercise modes with real-time tracking stats. Runners and hikers will especially appreciate the inclusion of high-precision, dual-frequency GPS. This gives you incredibly accurate route mapping, even when you are pacing through dense forests or navigating around towering city skyscrapers. But Google did not stop at fitness. They heavily prioritized personal safety with two groundbreaking new features. First, the watch introduces loss of pulse detection. If the device detects a sudden loss of pulse event, it will instantly prompt a call to emergency services. Second, if you ever find yourself in trouble in a completely remote location without any cellular service or Wi-Fi, the Pixel Watch 4 can connect you directly to emergency services using geostationary satellites. It is a true lifesaver that provides unmatched peace of mind. Finally, the watch integrates seamlessly into the broader Android and Pixel ecosystem. You can listen to your favorite music on the run with Pixel Buds, completely control your Pixel smartphone's camera from your wrist, and even view live video feeds from your Nest Cam or Nest Doorbell directly on the screen. Overall, the Google Pixel Watch 4 41mm model is a masterclass in modern wearable technology. By blending elite AI intelligence, robust safety features, and a beautiful, bright display with dependable battery life, Google has created a premium smartwatch that truly elevates your daily life.